नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं विशाल गौतम आपका एक बार फिर हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल अवतार क्रिएशंस पर। आज के वीडियो में हम फिगर टाइम्स के कुछ लेसन स्टार्ट करेंगे। तो हम बेसिक से शुरू करते हैं, जिसे बोलते हैं ह्यूमन फिगर इन प्रपोर्शन। दोस्तों, हम सभी इस कन्फ्यूज़न में रहते हैं हमेशा कि व्हाट शुड बी द लेंथ ऑफ ह्यूमन हेड, व्हाट शुड बी द लेंथ ऑफ द ओवरऑल फिगर। तो जैसा कि आप डिस्प्ले पर देख रहे हैं, ह्यूमन हाइट इज़ 7.25 times of height of human head. This proportion which is showing, this proportion is easy for drawing human figures. Main part of the body is divided in three equal parts. First one is shoulder to waist, second one is to knee, third one is knee to heel, and each part is equal to the height of two heads. So in this simple construction, the width of the shoulder is 1.25 times of the head. The same figure which I am drawing here. So the third one is, here you can see the body is divided in three equal parts. It is very simple, and all that are very basic human figure drawings. And the fourth one is, here we will do some different, which is the legs get apart from the waist. So here we will detail about the legs proportions also. Now that only one figure is left, which one is the side figure. So all of these, the four figures, the simple proportion belongs to the front figures only. And the fifth one will be side figure. The next I will draw that. These are very simple, and if you are going to start the human figure drawing and any basic drawing, then you must have to need to know that how the side figure. This one is known as side figure. Side figure is also divided in three equal parts. The upper part is of head portion. Actually, all these method, also known as the box methods, we all are known that human figures are completely 3D drawing, because they have the X, Y and Z tri-axis. But in drawing, before all that we were drawing in X and Y axis, and on a plain paper we can draw in X and Y axis only. But when we talk about the shading in the drawing, then shading also reflects the third one angle, the third one axis, which is Z. So here I am drawing the simple box, which will look like a figure in sitting position. All the five figures that we draw previously, there were only 2D drawings, and this one is the side figure, where we will see the detailings in the box method. As you can see that now the side figure is in box method, like this. And this one is the rectangular shape of a matchbox, is good for building body from shoulder to waist. So now again we are drawing the simple bending figures, which are also known as simple paper fold techniques. So first of all, we will see that we have a paper which is divided in equal four parts. So now we will look here that the simple, very simple bending figures here. The legs are joined in first and second. In the third one figure, the legs are slightly apart, and the fourth one, the figure is moving. The figure is running like this. So These are very easy techniques, and actually why all these structure learning are needed, because first of all we should be very well known about that the anatomy of the figures. क्योंकि कई बार ये देखा भी गया है कि जब भी लोग फिगर्स को बनाते हैं तो कहीं पैर छोटे, कहीं जो अपर पोर्शन है बॉडी का वो सिमेट्रिक नहीं है, मतलब टोटली एनाटॉमी बिगड़ी होती है फिगर्स की। तो उसके लिए हम एक सिंप्लीफाई फिगर ड्राइंग्स को लेते हैं। यहाँ आप देखेंगे, नाउ वी विल ड्रॉ द सिंपल सिटिंग द by the using the paper folding technique, that the figure is sitting here. So look at the proportions line and the angles what I am drawing here. It is very easy. This one is the back portion, thighs and the complete leg. Now these are, as you can see, is a heart type portion of a paper, and this one also. It means it's a N, 3D N, a N which is made of paper by folding papers. And this man is smoking. Now again we will draw some of the figures by the same paper folded techniques, and here all the figures are in the exercising positions. So here the first one is the leg portion, the head and the hands. Again same paper folding technique. This one is the next exercising portion of the figure. It is very easy to make, very easy. And in figure drawing, the role of paper folding technique and the proportion of the human figures is very important here, because if we will not learn about that, then we cannot be forward about. Then what is the next? Always we have a question, what's the next? So before going to the next, this one is the very important lesson about which we all need to learn. So this one is also paper folding. All the techniques belongs to paper folding techniques. You may try it by drawing or by folding a paper strip as well. So now our next this is the graphic form of a body and the movements of three parts. The graphic form, as we are very well known about that the body have some of the bands due to bones, and bones are jointed with some of the joints. So here we will learn the joint techniques, the movements of three parts like this. These are simple box methods. friends, before drawing graceful figures, we should play with the graphic form. It is very important. So now the same technique, we are drawing a moving side figure. This one only. It is also very easy that a simple man figure is walking, and we are considering his side view. All that are simple rectangular shapes only. Again, the box method. I hope that you all will try to make this and also enjoying the video. So it is a figure which is playing football here. So here the good thing which is to learn that by using only the box techniques, the paper folding techniques, we are making several figures here. So like this, he is kicking the ball. Thank you.